Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TECNO Spark 20p and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. So let's start with opening the app which will provide you with the keyboard. So for example, messages, notes, browser, settings, whatever, just have the keyboard on the screen like here. And now all we have to do is to open the settings. They should be in this upper panel, I mean this gear icon. If you cannot find it here, no worries. Tap on this 4 dots icon here, find the settings somewhere in this section, tap on it and hold it, and then drag it to this upper panel. Alright, so let's tap on the settings and tap on languages at the top. Right here we've got the list of all currently applied languages. We've got only English, so let's start with tapping on Add Keyboard, and here we will be transferred to the full list of available keyboards from which we can choose. So of course if you want to, you can scroll and find it, but as you can see on the sidebar, we've got plenty of options to choose from. So I highly recommend to simply tap on Search Language and then enter the name of the language you'd like to apply. After finding, simply tap on it. And now you can choose a specific keyboard layout. Of course, it depends on your preferences, etc. Just mark the option which you'd like to use and tap on Done. And as you can see, the Urdu language has been immediately applied to the list. And before I'll show you how to remove the language from this list, I'd like to show you how to use the keyboard with 2 or more languages added. So let's go back to the keyboard quickly. And as you can see here, we've got this globe icon, thanks to which we will be able to change the layout. So simply tap on it to switch between the languages. Moreover, the spacebar, it's not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we are currently using. Alright, so to remove the language, we have to open the settings again, tap on the languages, and now tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner. Now let's mark the language you'd like to remove and tap on the trash bin icon. And as you can see, we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.